You can see these trumpet vines. This is flamenco, but you can see how they've started to grow right in there. But for the most part, they're dormant right now. Let's just put them there and hold them about ground level and just push it back in the hole. And there you go. And on the other leg of the swing, right about right there. So these coverings that they're in are biodegradable. So you just put the whole thing in there. Just put it back at the hole at ground level. It got a lot more growth on it. It's doing really well. I cut down all the plants around it and then covered the ground with wood chips. And before I put the wood chips down, I sprinkled a granular fertilizer. And this is that trumpet vine that I planted earlier this year. I think it's going to need to be tied up until it gets started to cover the swing set here. This trumpet vine that I got from Gurney's this year is just doing absolutely great. This is flamenco. Trumpet vine I got from Gurney's this year. It's doing great. I got it tied up to the swing here. Here's these trumpet vines. Some more trumpet vines coming on, more blooms coming on, rather. Each one of these little things is going to be a bloom. And hopefully they attract a lot of hummingbirds. So each one of these is going to be a bloom. These must be old blooms that just fall off, I'm going to assume. But they must be really sweet by the way the ants are crawling all over them. I haven't seen any hummingbirds out here on them yet though.